Let me quickly show you how to insert an SD card on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus. So first you have to grab a paper clip or the SIM eject tool. Now on the bottom side of your tab, you will see the SIM and SD card tray. Just push the pin gently into the small hole and the tray will pop out just a bit. Now pull it out carefully and you will notice a slot for your micro SD card. Now place your SD card into the slot. It should fit nicely without forcing it. Once it's seated correctly, slide the tray back in and press it gently until it clicks into place. Now open your Fast app to check if the card shows up. You can also go to Settings, Device Care, Storage. Then swipe left to see the details of your SD card. Isn't it really cool? Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.